We'll begin with ear. Draw a C shape. Inside the C shape, we'll draw a line. Next, we'll extend this line ahead. We'll draw a curve, and then finally we'll stop it. After this, from the left corner of the ear, draw a straight line and extend it forward. Once you finish with this, on the top of the head, we'll add tiny curve. After this, we'll draw a curve on the bottom, then a U shaped. From this side, we'll draw a line extending till the bottom, and we'll draw a curve and join these two lines. With this done, we'll add the nose exactly below this. We'll put a comma shape and we'll add this teardrop like structure. Next, draw two lines adjacent to the nose, and from that we'll draw eye. It's nothing but inverted shape U, and draw a circle. Similarly on the other eye. Then draw a line put cross hatches, and we'll put the teeth and the tongue. With this done, we'll add eyebrow. After you finish this step, we'll add the body. Just sketch along with me if you don't understand the technique. Then two lines, then a curve. After you finish doing this, draw some three lines. Next, we'll add the arm. He's flexing his arms, so draw two lines. With this done, we'll add a rectangle. Draw three lines. Similarly on the other side. Draw so with this done, we'll add a few more details. Once finishing with this, we'll now color it.